What's up, Chase man? How are you, buddy?
Good.
Good. What are we doing today?
Doing a Lego set for Christmas.
What Lego set from Christmas?
Toad's Treasure Hunt.
Nice. So, dude, you guys have picked up some of these, actually a lot of these Super Mario Lego sets. So, Chase is going to build that here for us. He's going to use my phone because unfortunately these do not come with any instructions. You got to build them all through the app. So, Chase man, why did you want this set? This is kind of weird.
Because pretty much my favorite Mario character is Toads.
Toads. That's Toad's cool, man. Toad's cool.
And like every old Mario game we had on the Wii U, I used to always be Toad.
Toad is pretty awesome. Toad is pretty awesome. Okay. So as you guys can see here, this Lego set has three different Toad houses and some cool interactive areas you guys can play with. So, Chase man, are you ready to get started and do this?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. Then here we go. So how many bags do you think there are? 10.
10?
I'm saying there's 10.
I'm saying about 7.
10. You did, okay. Alright, so guys, here, check this out. So, Chase man finished Toadette. Now, Toadette, that is so cool. Turn her to the side. That is so cool, dude. I love it. She got her pigtails. That's very cool. Alright, so Chase man is done with bag 1. You've got 9 more bags to go. So we're gonna let you build the rest of this, but Toadette was cool enough, we stopped and we'd share. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go. Alright, buddy, so you are done with bag... Which one?
4.
Wait, what bag? 4? 4? Okay, so we've got 6 more bags. So we've got... Alright, so we've got some signs. It's got Toad and a Toad house, and is that some... What kind of contraption is that?
So look, if you push it down...
Oh, nice.
Just push it back up.
That's pretty cool, buddy. That is pretty cool.
Then a finer thing is this.
What is that?
It's spin.
Oh, nice. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. All right, my man. You ready to get some more bags in?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. Well, let's go. Alright friends, we had a slight interruption due to some battery and memory card capabilities, but we are back in action. So before we move on to bag 6, 7, 8, and 9, just want to share with you guys quickly what Chase has done. We've got the Toad and Toadettes, we've got the yellow Toad house, the red Toad house.
No, it's only 7, 8, 9, 10.
Is that what I said?
No, you said 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
We'll have to review the footage, but I'm pretty sure I said 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Alright, and we've got this cool little slide contraption for Mario. So, Chase Man is going to start back in on bag 7, and we are going to get this thing built.
Giant Toad house.
Giant Toad house.
And Toad house.
I like it. We'll review these more in depth once Chase builds the rest of it, but you ready to go, dude? You ready to go? Alright, well, here we go. Alright, buddy, so this is all the stuff. This is very cool. Very cool. Let's take a look. Chase Man is going to put all of the stuff together with one of our other packs. But let's give one more close look. So we've got Toad, we've got Toadette, we've got Cheep. Now show me, what does the Cheep do? It spins?
You hit it?
Nice. So you got multiple Cheeps there. Okay. Alright.
Yeah, just accessories like these.
Okay.
There's got this.
Got the slider. Cool. Now let's start with the yellow house. The yellow house, what is unique about that house? Now, the door opens up and you've got a block inside there. What's the block give you?
It's like
Is there a reward for hitting that block?
Mario? Mario died.
You think so?
Yes. Yeah, Mario died.
Mario died. No more batteries. Alright, we'll hook him back up with some batteries later. Alright. So, Mario's got a block that he gets inside there. Now, with... It doesn't have a symbol on the other side, Chase? On the inside?
Inside of what?
Take a look here. So, on your other side... So okay, it just has one. Okay. Alright. So now your purple house. Who's the purple houses?
Toadettes.
Toadettes. Alright, so now Toadette's house. Let's talk about that, buddy. Toadette, what is going on in this house? Is it anything special or is it just visual?
Just visual.
Just visual? So it's just like cool stuff for the play set?
Pretty much Toadette's gonna be right here. And then...
Alright. That's cool. Now the other house, this is the main Toad house. Giant Toad house. What happens inside this house? Is there anything special?
No, nothing inside.
Nothing? Alright, so...
2 lanterns.
Okay, so if Toad wants to rest, Mario wants to take a rest, that's probably the house he goes to, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this other contraption right in front of the house, what is that?
A door.
No. This thing right here.
Oh. This.
Yes, what is that?
Spins around. But, I realized this. But you have to hold on.
Well, you'll be able to put this together, put all of these things together, and it'll probably balance a little bit better.
Mario's back.
Mario's back? Okay.
See, this is what happens with this block.
Oh, nice. So he gets some coins. That's cool. That's cool.
I definitely see my spots had some Ebo's. Right.
Yeah. Okay. So we already told Toadette and Toad. Very cool. Oh, he hearts Toadette. Oh, he hearts Toad too. Okay. So, what is the treasure box? What's inside that one, buddy?
Let's save that one.
Huh?
Let's save these two last because these ones have. Yeah, I want to save these two.
Okay.
We already did.
Yeah, we only have these things left over here.
Oh yeah.
So we already saw Cheap. What's this?
We're gonna do the treasure box first. Treasure box.
Okay, please share with me. I'm very suspenseful. Okay, so there's another box inside there. What does it give him? So just more coins?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay. So up here, this tree here. All right. Now there's another hidden block. How does Mario get that hidden block? Ah. Nice. Are those just more coins again?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So is that all the things in here?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Well then, tell you what, I'm going to zoom out, I'm going to put you on time lapse, and then let's put together your big Mario play area. Go. Jump in the pipe.
So.
Now jump in the pipe.
Which path should I go?
Okay, Mario, you got two different ways.
To go. The coins. Harder when this tight. I can get this chest.
He's all over the place. Ouch. Mario, you better get going. like you're in a hurry now.
Right one. Okay, now we're gonna try the 2 sets that I know of.
Okay. Now these are 2 sets Noah built for us. Hopefully we'll make these videos before we release your video, Chase Man. But go ahead, let's go. You killed Bomb Bomb already? Better watch out. It's gonna blow. Ow! I like this part. He's gotta come out first. Oh, you knocked him back in. Wait. You gotta set this up right. Okay.
Okay.
Where are you going? Now watch this. Hit the POW. Hit the POW real hard. There you go.
15 seconds.
Why doesn't Mario take a nap now?
Okay.
Oh, he died in his own house.
He's not.
Alright, Chase Man.
Can't believe they don't know a set.
Yeah, there's really no finish on Noah's set. It's more like, I think this is more like a check-in, or a checkpoint, you know? How you have the checkpoints in the middle of the sets? Yeah, that's what that is. What do you think?
What if we did like a long one, just going one way?
I think that'd be pretty cool.
But that'd be like a different video.
Yeah, let's get some more sets and make a super long one. Because you could actually get Bobby's. I think we have, what, at least one more other set downstairs?
With Bobby's and that's it.
Bobby's and that's it, okay. Alright.
But Bobby's is destroyed, kind of.
That's okay. They are Lego, we can always just rebuild it, right? Right? Okay.
I might get it up here and then build.
Okay. Well, dude, thank you so very much for sharing your Lego set with us here today. Do you have any final words for our friends at home?
Like and subscribe from, see ya.
See ya. Alright, guys, thanks for tuning in. Chase Man's, Toad's. Man, I forget what this is already called. Toad's Treasure Hunts. Alright, dudes. Thanks for watching. So what are you doing? You making a video?
Started.
I had started it a long time ago.
Please don't.
Kidding.